feels like Christmas when we're all in one place. It feels like Christmas, these memories we make. And all the world is wonderful, it's on display to see. It feels like Christmas, oh yeah. It feels like Christmas to me.
Do you want to say good morning? Say good morning. Good morning. Okay, we are starting the day off by, okay, let me explain a couple of things. So we bought this farmhouse and we knew there was gonna be like a lot of work to do. What we didn't know was that their plumbing was absolutely shot. So we redid the floors and like started working on some fun things, and the ceilings started leaking. So we discovered that there was a load-bearing wall removed from the house, so we had to fix that. So my name is Lauren Stewart from lauren.stewart.dc on Instagram. And if you want to see us do crazy things, stay tuned. We're gonna be fixing that, but not before we rip out this kitchen. So we're putting in new walls here, and we are going to pull out this whole middle section here and put a brand new kitchen all across the back. So I'm really excited. So I'm getting ready to order my cabinets. I have my sink is here, and we're gonna redo the entire kitchen. But today we are going to we're gonna do like a DIY Christmas tree collar. So it's a wooden, I'm gonna do a wooden one. I was gonna just buy one, and I looked at it, I'm like, oh, I can really make that. It's not that crazy. So I'm gonna show you guys how, what tools I use and how I would do that. So I'm gonna make a tree collar for the tree that's gonna go in my bedroom. I got Sean and I a tree that looks like the ones we used to get when we lived in Utah. We'd go up to the mountains in Idaho and cut down the trees in the forest. And I like really miss it. So I found one on the internet, and also I gotta wash my baby goat bottles. But yeah, so we're gonna do some fun things today. So we're gonna put up a new tree, build a DIY tree collar, and then you'll probably see the animals, and I gotta do the dishes.
I must tell, I went out on the snow, and on my back I fell. A gent was riding by in a one-horse open sleigh. He laughed as there I sprawling lying quickly drove away. Jingle, jangle, jingle, jangle, what do you say? Every bell shining brightly on Christmas Day. Oh,
What are you doing? Did you get that? That's cute.
ringing loud over Christmas snow. Oh, jingle, jangle, jingle, jangle, what do you say? Every bell shining brightly on Christmas Day. Oh, jingle, jangle, jingle, jangle, what do you know? Every bell's ringing loud over Christmas snow. Now the ground is white, go it while we're young. Take the girls tonight and sing this.
What you doing? You're just relaxing? That's cute. Hi. Hello. Okay, it's taken me like 11 days to do this. All right, it's just been a while. But I am now finally, I'm gonna put this here. I'm gonna make my Christmas box. But first I'm gonna have some sparkling. This. In a fancy cup. With some cranberry juice. So pretty. Oh, my nephew's just waking up. I'm gonna go get a saw and a drill, and I'm gonna screw some stuff together and I'm gonna paint it. I'm not sure if I'm very good at instructing on how to do it, but I'll try to. So I'm gonna go outside. Sean's welding right now and the kids are watching a Christmas show, and I'm gonna go make 2 boxes actually. Cause we actually, here, let me show you. The kids picked out this tree and it is not decorated, okay? See, when I decorate a tree, it's kind of more like this, but I let the kids do it. So that one is what it is. So I gotta make 2 boxes, one for that, and then one for the one that I'm putting in my room. So cheers. Let's make a DIY tree stand. There's my sweet kitty with my special Christmas socks, and this is how we do it. Hey. Alrighty, so I want to first decide how big I want my box. I think we're gonna do something that kind of looks like a shiplap board and batten. So I'm gonna have a like this go around the top and the bottom, but then I'm gonna have vertical slats, so it has like a shiplap vibe in it. Yeah, but board and batten is a little thinner than shiplap, so we're gonna go with these. These are 1x2s. Obviously I have my safety goggles on. Just go ahead and put this here for a minute. My saw we're gonna be using, and my drill and all of that. So let's get the measuring tape. All right, you guys will learn one thing around here really quickly. I grew up in a house where using power tools was not only encouraged, it was expected. So I did this. It is 2 feet wide, 1 foot tall, and 2 feet wide on either side. For the shiplap portion of it, I used common board 1x6x8s, and then for the board and batten portion along the top, I used 1x2s. So 24 inches, 24 inches, 24 inches, and then from the ground to the top, it is 12 inches tall. And I like to use screws because it goes together nice and smooth. All right, so here we are with this. We will line these up like magic. No, just kidding. Ignore that. If you liked it, then don't ignore it. I'm gonna drill this in. This is what the front's gonna look like here. Okay, it's gonna be super cute. What are you doing, my girl?
The only shoes.
Oh wow, I love them. What are you doing?
Nothing. I just want to help you build.
You do?
Yes. I'll measure the stuff you want me to.
All right, measure these.
Okay.
All right, so here we are making, what is this called? A tree collar.
And I'm gonna measure this and let's see how long this is.
I love it. It's looking cute.
Huh?
And then I gotta just cut these so we can make 2 more sides. So we need 4 pieces, so I've gotta cut for 8 pieces, and I already have 2, so that means I just need 6.
It's a 2 and a 2.
So I like to measure and cut as many as possible, and then I like to compare the boards just to make sure that my measurements aren't off as I go. The more you cut up front, the quicker you can just sit down and like get to putting it together. So anyways, I ended up needing 4 of the 2x6s for each side. So anyways, and then 2 of the 1x2s, 1 on top, 1 on bottom, and that just holds the, what are those called? 1x6s together. So anyways, here we go. If you wanna watch a female work power tools with my husband cheering me on in the background, so I know you probably won't hear it, but he thinks I'm pretty cool. Oh, hey, do you guys wanna come say hi? Anyways, that's all. I'm chewing my Christmas bubble gums.
I like to build by my mom's side.
You measured all my boards for me, huh?
Yeah, I kind of. Well, yes, I did.
What that is?
What is that?
It's gonna go on around your Christmas tree at the bottom. Pretty cool, huh? All right, you guys, that's it. It's super cute. Very excited about it. And that just slides right in under the tree. I was gonna do pale oak, but ended up going with white dove, so. Now if I cared like a ton, I would putty these in, sand them, but I just am not really that bothered by the project. So I'm just probably not gonna do that. But this will still be really cute, I feel like. If you could work on a project like painting, like I'm whitewashing this here, what would you wanna do? you want to do your room next?
Yeah, I'm gonna paint my walls
It'll be so pretty.
white.
Oh yeah? I think it'll be fun. So this here is a mixture. It's 1 cup of water to 1 cup of paint, and I actually ended up using white Dove so that you could really still see the wood underneath. I did the water base. Louie! Hi! Hi, Olive girl! Hi! Yo, girl. Hi! Hi, oh my stars! You guys are nutsos! Come on! Alright, ladies. Who's the layer? I think you're the layer. I think it's you. Look at all my beautiful babies. This is where we found our eggs this morning. And this front one right by the door. Then we have our fake eggs up here, but this is where we found it. Hi, babies. And the first one was back there in that corner.
This is a baby goat's milk.
Yeah, and for the piggies,
Yes.
everybody loves milk.
Piglet.
All right, you friends, I finished it. I'm gonna let it dry, and I cannot wait to show you. But right now, I'm going to do some rounds. Harmony! Harmony! I'm gonna feed our baby goat, feed the pigs. Definitely precarious. It's gonna spill. Okay. Oh, I'm spilling. Hi, Dad. Hi, Beauty! Hi, and River! You guys, River's doing so good. The 3 little pigs! They're so cute! Arm, you want your bottle? Hi, Martina! Oh my gosh! Martina! What are you doing? Everybody's just gonna have some bottom. Okay. It's a good girl. Everybody is just being cute. Hi, Miss Elizabeth. Your little snoot is adorable. You're so beautiful. Elizabeth, I think you look very pregnant. Your bottle is almost gone, baby. Alright, you guys. Well, thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to hit the red button. Lauren Stewart here, lauren.stewart.dc on Instagram if you want to follow me over there. As well, we do story a lot. But thanks for being here. Thanks for enjoying the heck out of all of this jolly AF content that we've got going on. Yeah, we will see you probably in a couple of days.